Hi, this is Bob from Bob's Grading. We're in Elm Grove, Wisconsin, and I just finished up a grading project on this new construction home. Grading, seeding. This lot took 300 yards of topsoil. We graded, seeded it. It's got a straw covering, erosion mat. You can reach us at bobsgradinginc.com or 414-750-3002. We do quite a few new construction grades, but we also do drainage correction projects, gravel driveways, retaining walls, paver patios. The grades turn out really nice here. Everything's nice and smooth. We used all screen topsoil, so it's going to be a really nice barefoot yard. And I used 60% bluegrass seed blend. And the only thing to remember with bluegrass, a high bluegrass count, is you're looking at about 20 some days for 60% of the grass to actually start to germinate. So you have to be a little more patient and keep the watering up. Even after the lawn is starting to green up, you got to continue watering and taking care of it, because it takes a lot longer for the bluegrass to germinate than some of the starter seed, fescues and such, and perennial rye. But the end result with the high bluegrass count is a really nice green lawn. Just a little more patience in the process. And they generally require more nutrients in the beginning, especially in the beginning. Like I will fertilize this one. We fertilize it with 2 types of fertilizer, and I'll fertilize it again in about 3 weeks, 4 weeks. And then I'll encourage the homeowner to probably fertilize it every 3 weeks after that, until it's good and strong. So, well, again, Bob's Grading, southeastern Wisconsin. We're in Elm Grove today on this one. And if you want to give us a shout for your grading project, text or call 414-750-3002. And this Takeuchi is our main muscle for moving dirt. We have a small bulldozer as well too, but this rubber track machine can really move a lot of material. And then we've got some finished grading machines too, or whatever, to get everything nice and smooth. So thanks so much. Remember Bob's Grading for your grading needs. Thanks.